So, hi, it's me, Diddy Daniel, and I'm here with
Lanina.
Larry.
and they came all the way from New York, and it's Lenina's birthday. Woohoo! Yay! Happy birthday! And she went through the whole museum. It took a whole year. She was a year younger when she got here, and now she's going to do a box opening. And as you know, I do it like a 40-second street show game. So here's me mixing them up. Are you guys confused?
Yes,
That's always good, because otherwise I have to do this all day long. Okay, so pick a package, any package, whatever you want to open. Birthday goes first. Okay, and there you go. And then you have your scissors. Nope, you don't. There you go.
My daughter would love this.
I would do it like this, Lenina. I would actually hold the scissor like that and cut like that.
Well,
Okay.
Yeah, not toward me.
Not toward that. But hold the scissor like this,
Like this. Oh, okay.
like a box cutter. Yeah.
Like this. Okay. Guess I'm not very good at it.
Larry, don't worry. I have crack medical devices I
Oh,
can kill you with.
that's great.
Surgical tools from the
And all kinds
1800s. And don't worry about silly things like sterilizing them or
Just as long as you put me
anesthesia.
on the records, I'll be
Yeah.
fine. The bone records.
Yeah, and we can give you some medicinal whiskey. That'll
Oh,
solve
excellent.
all the problems.
Perfect. Always does, yes.
Whoops, this one seems.
Hold on. Before you kill someone, let me
Yeah.
help you. Because
Thank you.
I've done this before. You really take this hard.
I know. That was,
Really crazy on this.
it seems like a special tape or something.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, they sent you styrofoam peanuts.
Oh, excellent. That's what you need,
I
peanuts.
know. Where do I put this?
Here, put them in here. In fact, let's do it smart and just do a dump. With most of them. I'll clean it up later. That just allows you to get to them. So pull that out. And then, so you opened up, it looks like Thomas Edison cylinders, records. Let me help you
cool.
with cutting them. Hold that like that.
Yay. What music is it?
There we go. I don't know why they wrap it like that. Were they expecting it to like float across the East River? Like what were they expecting? Excellent. And let me read the name off of it. And try it, because if I buy a record, since I have so many, I only buy fun ones now. So this one is Ada Jones again, in the heart of the city that has no heart. How cool is that? It's part of a musical I'm planning on doing. And this one, I think you'll like. I'll do as much for you. It's kind of like a love one. Isn't that sweet? I'll do as much for you. And it comes with the original booklet. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Wow, it comes with the original paperwork.
That is awesome.
That is really beautiful. I almost never get to see the original paperwork. That's really cool. And these are not the wax ones, these are the celluloid ones. So this would be a 4-minute record. And the name is also on the record over there, because there was nowhere else to put it. So that's where they put it, besides on the box. So these are the Edison Blue Amberol records, and there's his picture again. How cool is that? So yeah, we're planning on doing an Edison love story, and this is going to be one of the stars of that one. So when we do that one, you'll be like, I opened up 2 records from the love story. That's very cool. So happy birthday!
Awesome,
Good
thank
job.
you.
Oh wait, we have you. We didn't. Yeah.
They sent you a plastic bag. It's amazing. Circa 2021. Comics. Archie's comics.
Archie's comics. Wow. So this is actually a donation. I didn't buy these. These are a donation from my dear friend. She wrote, not her whole name there, but Deanne. She is actually one of the members of the Historical Society. and also works with Coney and all those guys. And she had a bunch of Archies and emailed me and said, I'm going to mail you them. I'm amazed at how quickly they arrived. But she had a whole bunch, and I know the writers for Archies. They're friends of mine in the museum. The guy that worked at Fisher Price also did Archie stuff, Paul, and also Alex. So you guys would appreciate this. Although these are old, it's probably before they were born, or at least when they were young. But she wanted to give me antique ones. But that's really cool as donations. Wow.
Nice.
So very fun stuff. And oh, that's right. You're a teacher teaching like English and writing, creative writing. So that's perfect for you to open up that way.
Yeah.
This is clearly the creative writing that you were
That's
discussing.
what I definitely
Yeah, I
encourage
can
all
see
the
that.
students to write the funnies.
Excellent. And you opened up the love one, so that's perfect for you.
Yes, exactly.
So,
And I love those as well.
so thank you very much. You guys
Thank
get
you.
those.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye to the world.